Okay folks, Alex here again. 2011 Landrover LR4 HSE. Okay, we are doing the rear left side wheel bearing assembly replacement. Actually, it's not the hub bearing, so you have to press it out. That's a pressed wheel bearing. In order to do that, you have to take off the brake caliper. You have to disassemble the emergency brake. While you disassemble it and you take the rotor out, there is a screw like that. It is screwed up to the back of the spindle assembly. Take it out, take the cable out, leave everything over here. So you have to press that wheel bearing out. So actually the piece is stuck here right now. As you see, I'm gonna cut it with the grinder and hammer it out. And I already ordered the brand new bearing. You have to press it back in there. And one more trick, I mean, here, right here, this is the camber bolt. You have to put some kind of mark in there, and the other side, as I already did, in order to avoid getting out of alignment. Let me take you to the press machine. So right here in the press machine, as you see, there is a snap ring. You have to take the snap ring out. This is the spindle assembly. The snap ring goes from the front. Take it out. So flip it over, put something to cover the bearing, and just press it real hard out. This is the hub bearing. I already pressed it out. I mean, this is the wheel bearing that I already pressed it out, and that's the other piece was breakdown. It was making whiny noise when the customer was driving in the highway around 50-60 miles per hour. Don't forget to take the ABS sensor out of the way, so you don't want to damage it or break it. Good luck, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless.